This is the plated heat exchanger. Plated heat exchanger is connected to the cooling tower. The purpose of this plated heat exchanger to transfer the heat from one end to another end. One end we are going to put cooling tower, and another end we will give the circulation system. Here there is a 4 connection: S1, S2, S3 and S4. In the S2 and S1, like this in the bottom side there is a S2 and this is a S1. Here we are going to put the inlet and outlet connection of your pure material, and the S3 and S4 you have to connect the cooling tower. So cooling tower will reduce the temperature of your material. Let's suppose that your inlet temperature will be nearby 75 to 80. So after this plated heat exchanger, without mixing fluid, your product material should be nearby 35 to 40. Here